Welcome back. We now begin the second Japan trip, taking place in September 2023. I'm still going to use this Tokyo Station Hasha melody for those remaining legacy Japan trips. This trip was one I went on with my sister during the absolute sweltering Japanese summer, and when I also learned to actually talk to the camera, so I don't have to do these voiceovers anymore. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy the video. Hello. It's been a while. I'm going to Japan. Yeah, welcome to the vlog. Oh my god. I got a new camera, so it makes me less self-conscious when I'm filming in public. I need to start packing. Like, I have not started yet. I only really need to bring clothes, so it's gonna take me like less than 5 minutes to do it. Essentials. I'm definitely not lugging this everywhere. Like, oh my god, it's so annoying to just carry on my shoulders all the time. Essentials. It's honestly all I need for my carry-on. Okay, all the skincare is packed. Leaving in like 2 hours, I think. Okay, we're at the airport. Okay. Bye-bye. Thanks. Bye-bye. Yeah. Have fun, enjoy. Boarding is in about 50 minutes. We've been walking for 10 minutes. The plane is boarding now. We need to... Yeah, it is a good workout. It's like literally training us for when we actually get to Tokyo.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your pilot Millie. For those who may be interested, if you're seated on the left-hand side of the cabin, Australia is standing at almost 3,800 meters tall, and we are currently about 6,000 meters. For those on the right, you get a beautiful view of the sky.
We've checked into the hotel. I'm so tired. We got like an hour of sleep on the plane, right? We're gonna go explore. I'm gonna get so tan here, I swear. True. Just exploring Akihabara right now. Trying to find this manga store. We're about to try and look for the Final Fantasy cafe now. Head to the cafe. First place we went to, which is like, it was some pretty niche cafe. Trust me, you will see them again in this video because it was really good. I highly recommend this place. It was an iconic character in the previous trip. Okay, we're actually in the hotel now. I kind of skipped over a lot of stuff, but we went on a lot of shopping. Basically, Singapore Airlines is actually really helpful. That's why I'm just gonna continue booking them, because my sister actually had a blood nose and they just immediately just gave a bunch of tissues and ice pack, everything. And then they also like offered to give us medical like support and stuff when we arrived in Singapore. Anyway, that aside, like I'll try like add a few voiceovers in. Maybe I might need to start writing notes on my phone on what to say. Yeah, we did quite a lot of shopping. I got this Xiao keyboard, probably butchered the pronunciation, and then also like a lot of manga. We're gonna get like showered because it's so hot here. And we're gonna just probably head to like actual Tokyo Imperial Palace or something. Okay, I couldn't resist unboxing this. We decided we were too tired to actually go to Tokyo Imperial Palace. Back in the hotel, we decided to just have a nap and eat dinner. Tomorrow morning we're gonna go out to River, and then because we're only gonna meet like our friend at some cafe at 1 p.m. Now to unbox this. Oh, it has a really satisfying opening. Oh, I don't think I meant to do that. No, I've damaged the box. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna issue a content warning. If you want, you can skip this part. My sister had another blood nose and she's clogged our sink. What have you done? Why is there Evangelion water in our sink? Why is there Evangelion water in our sink? We are so stupid. There's a thing at the back. Oh my god, I had to go see the lobby about this. He thought our toilet was clogged. Oh my god. Anyway, shout out to that guy. Okay, time to sleep. Okay, it is day 2. We're gonna head out to a convenience store to get some breakfast. Yeah, good morning. Day 2 has officially begun. We have established our little shrine here. Whatever poor person's doing our room service is just gonna stumble across this. And then we have our shrine of consumerism. We're gonna head out now to the Imperial Palace and apparently Starbucks. I think there was some diplomat being moved, but we're in Tokyo Station now, so... Wait, is this even Starbucks? We're in the back rooms. Oh no, there's people there. Sorry, I left my passport at a station, but it was found, so we're gonna go get it later. In the meantime, we have to go see this giant Gundam, you know? We have Tokyo Skytree at home. Yes, we've fallen ill to consumerism, but it was like $10, so... We were looking for this place last time, but we just stumbled across it. Okay, we're finally back. It's 11:20. It's been a really long day, and so the whole drama that happened is because of the Suica shortage, I have to keep buying a manual ticket for my sister, and because of that, like, I think my Suica was in the same pocket, and this pocket's really loose. It was in the same pocket as my passport. Yeah, you can probably tell what's happening, but I pulled the Suica out, and I think my passport just fell out on the floor. I only noticed when I was in Yokohama, so I spent the whole 10 hours we were there just panicking, and we had our Japanese friend with us, so like we called the station and they said it's fine. I was still anxious, so then when we went properly, we got it back. Okay, a huge relief. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Also, I swear half this vlog has just been walking simulator. Like, I've just been walking this entire video. Like, that's all we've been doing. And like, plus the random b-roll of cats, but yeah, you get the idea. I decided to do a last minute convenience store run. It's honestly interesting seeing Akihabara empty like this. Wow, such a convenience store. New addition for our shrine of capitalism.